Good morning. Welcome to the space where I share my light and my love to all of you through the yoga practices, meaning mindful thinking. What are you thinking? What are you feeling? These are really important times of transformation. And yet what we're doing right now is feeling a lot of resistance, and there's a great divide, and it's getting louder and louder. So it's so important right now. Hi, I'm Teresa Guigno, your yoga guide, and it's so important right now to take time to be in the self. So if you're getting triggered or there's these huge reactions to what's happening globally outside of you, take a look inside, look in the mirror and say, how am I truly feeling? What is my emotional thought? What am I thinking? So that you may be able to respond. Hey, Tyson, what do you think of all this stuff? Instead of reacting. Oh, he loves this blanket. Thanks, Kathy, for making this blanket. Come sit next to me. So today's love and light and remembering is this, that even though it's really loud, this divide, that all of the people in your immediate circle, your family, your friends, there's a divide. I understand. May we agree to disagree. May we hold space for each other. We have no control of those around us, yet we think for some reason, and we forgot that we only have control of our own sovereignty, that we have only control of how we choose to create. We only have control of our journey and how we choose to react or respond. So are you responding or reacting? And it's not right or wrong. We are exactly where we're meant to be. Yet I will ask you to invite you to reel it in and take a look in the mirror and say, yeah, I'm angry at this. I'm upset with this. I'm afraid of this. This really scares the crap out of me. And look inside yourself and see the resolve, the responses. I know you got my back, Tyson. And see how you may respond with loving kindness first by looking inside, so that your response is in the outer world instead of digging perhaps a dark hole of reaction. So the divide isn't just maybe the people you don't know and complete strangers of different left and right. I think that there's like a rainbow of colors out there, and yet taking a look inside myself so that I can allow for myself to feel this transformation without that holding on and gripping and thinking I have control of the outer world. When I let go and surrender, I look at myself and say, what do I have control over? And that is how I choose to respond every single day. Yesterday, I took a day to myself, and the reflection that was happening was that I wasn't enough, that, maybe physically I wasn't happy with my physical body. And then I thought to myself, oh my God, this is a gift to be able to see, smell, taste, touch, hear is an absolute gift. And how I choose to respond with these gifts or to react is the gift. So I invite all of you during this very transformational time, which does need to happen. It's been happening for thousands of years. We've been evolving, revolving, evolving. Let us evolve to a higher state of consciousness by being present in our lower dense consciousness of when we are choosing to react. So say if I judge somebody because they don't agree with me, that's a lower consciousness. It doesn't really matter what they're thinking. What matters is, what am I thinking? So if we all chose to respond instead of react in time, what a beautiful world this would be. Yes. And in the meantime, we're just kind of like going through the closet going, yeah, I love that. I don't like that. Toss it out. Oh, I really am not sure. I think it might still fit me, even though it doesn't fit you anymore. Don't hold on to it. Let it go. Don't be afraid to let go, to completely surrender old paradigms, just like the clothing in your closet. Let things just go and be absolutely responsible and disciplined in your responses or reactions. Own them. That is my wonderful philosophy for today. Compost it, take it, heat it, do what you want with it, but in no buts yet. In the realm of transformation, we all must wake up to our own selves and look in the mirror and say, what is it that I am needing to love? Yoga is the option we all have, and from my light to your light, please join me on the mat in studio and or online. You know how to reach me. Namaste, everybody. You've got this. You've got this. You've got this. Shazam.